I'm going to show you how this thing works today. It's Hamilton Beach blender, immersion blender or something like that. Got to plug it in, of course, right? Bam. And this thing we got to put on there. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so anyway, this has got, just like all blenders, it's got one of those blenders like doohickeys there, right there. And actually I can move it, look. But anyway, this here has little notches on it on the side. So this has little notches too. So you've got to just kind of get it on there like that and then turn it. And then bam, it's ready to go. Now you got two speeds. You got this top speed here. Watch. Holy shit, what was that? All right, let's try it again. It should lock in there, right? All right, so you got, I guess I gotta hold it, right? Here's the bottom speed. It's fast. Here's the top speed, it's slower. But it vibrates more. Here's the bottom. Top. Bottom, top. Bottom, top. Bottom, top. Yeah, I think you got to kind of hold it when you do it. All right, so anyway, that's how it's done. To get it off, you just twist it and it comes off. No big deal. So it's pretty simple. You can see where it goes in, how it hooks on, bam. All right, we're making a special dressing for a spinach, strawberry, and pecan salad. And you guys get to see that. Here we go.
You can't show this without food.
What is that?
It's a dressing for spinach salad.
What is the machine that you're using? Oh, it's a Hamilton Beach. I guess it's some kind of blender. Show me what it looks like when you pull it out. Put it up a little bit higher, but don't go too high. What's it? That's, oh, look at that. It's got a blade in there. And when you press that button there, it makes it go. What's that button do? What's it do?
Slow, high and low.
So that's high. This is high, that's low. Okay, that comes off like that. And it's got a little thing and it goes into that hole there. And then it blends it up. Now she's gonna smush off all the good juice. All right, so this is called a Hamilton Beach blender?
Immersion.
Immersion?
Blender.
Immersion blender. Interesting. All right, and it's kind of like, it looks like the regular blender type kind of top there. And it goes right into this here. And that's what rotates it. And this is fast. And that's slow. What do these buttons on top do?
Nothing.
Those are nothing buttons? Okay, so Hamilton Beach Immersion Blender. And this has got some information on it right there. It says caution, sharp blades. Don't cut yourself. And she's getting every ounce of that deliciousness out of there. Yeah, we're gonna show you how to use this Hamilton Beach Immersion Blender. How's that sound? All right, so we just gotta wash it. Should we rinse it off?
Put on top.
I wanna see what it looks like clean. Here, let me just go ahead and get all this stuff off of it so you guys can see. Cleans off pretty good. So that end goes, you just push it on? How does it work? Can you show me? All right, wait a minute. You put it, and then you just twist it.
And it locks in place.
Oh, it's not. Is it?
You have to just line it up. I can't remember where.
So let's look at it. So it's got. Oh, there we go. All right, show me the bottom. Let me see so they can see it. So this is a really sharp blade, and we're gonna put it away now. If we put it in here, that's where our Hamilton blend immersion thing goes. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out her cool dress.